A quick look at the MIG FX Studio to get an idea of structured mapping. The Studio is a Windows application with focus on team collaboration and user productivity. To the left, the Project Explorer tree view, giving access to all items in the project. To the right, the document canvas that enables me to simultaneously open and work on many items. The starting point is to import metadata describing the target of the migration. A hierarchy of business objects is defined for the project by creating root business objects and adding child business objects. The depth of this hierarchy is unlimited. For each business object, I can specify that this business object will deliver rows to a number of structures in the target system. Once I have added a new target structure to a business object, I must define how to assign the value to each field in the target structure. The Studio gives me a number of value types to choose from. To name a few, I can retrieve the value of a target field that has already been calculated on the current business object, or any ancestor within the same root business object. I can point out a mapping rule that will calculate the value of the target field. I can even retrieve the value of a target field from a different root business object through a relationship. And if I find I am unable to retrieve or calculate the value for the target field, I can create an interface field on the business object, hereby adding a requirement to the data that must be received from the upstream export. If I make any mistake, a strong, deep and consistent validation will catch it for me. Complete cross-reference provides great assistance in issue tracing and what-if considerations. The MIG FX Studio is where the source and target mapping is produced. The Studio eliminates cumbersome, unruly and inaccurate specifications in unstructured tools such as text documents or spreadsheets. Using the Studio, you can create mapping specifications of any complexity.